Introducing the 2017 Volkswagen Polo 1.2 TSY HIGHLINE Automatic. With only 34,311 kilometers on the clock, this sleek white 5-door hatchback is perfect for those looking for a reliable, stylish ride. Packed with features like adjustable seats, climate control, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, and more, this Polo offers both comfort and convenience. Don't worry about maintenance. It comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, servicing to manufacturer specification, and a comprehensive warranty. Interested in this fantastic deal? Contact us today at blackwatermotors.ie for more information. Drive away in style with the Volkswagen Polo.